In today's video, I want to show you how to do your flood risk simulation. Flood risk simulation is the process of using spatial data and GIS tools to analyze, model and visualize area that is prone to flooding under different conditions. To do that, let's look at some key steps to perform your flood risk simulation. Firstly, you have to activate your 3D analysis tools. Okay, so I will go to customize, then go to extension to make sure that my 3D analysis tools is checked. Then I will go to toolbar to also make sure that my 3D analysis tools is checked. Okay, you can see Arc Scene is there. Okay, so the next step is for me to add my digital elevation model. That is my den. Okay, so I will navigate to the folder that I have my digital elevation model. Okay, here is my digital elevation model. Let's look at the next step. The next step is for me to create a watershed file as Polygon. Okay, to do that, I will go to my ArcLab and create a new shape file. Okay, I will name it to be F level, then my future type to be Polygon. Then I will define my coordinate system. I will project my coordinate system. I will scroll down to UTM WGS 1984. Then go to Northern Hemisphere. Okay, my zone is in 32. Okay, after doing that, I will start my editor. And click on flood level and OK. Okay. I will create a new shape file using Polygon. Yes, I'm creating a new shape file for water level, or you can call it flood level. Okay, I will stop my edit and save. After doing that, I will go to my table of content to open the attribute table for flood level. Okay, so I will create a new field and label F level. Okay, after typing the name, I will click on OK and yes. Okay, I will start my editor again. You can see that in my digital elevation model, my base level is minus 37, so I will put minus 37. Okay, so I will stop my edit and save. Okay, after doing that, I will convert the shape file from Polygon to raster. So to do that, I will go to my search option. I'll click on the search option. Then I will write Polygon to raster. Polygon to raster. Okay. In build feature, I will put my flood level. Then value field, I will also put my flood level. Then I will navigate to the folder that I want to save my work. Okay, then I will give it a name. After doing that, I will click on save. and OK. I have successfully converted this to raster. Okay, so I will open my Arc Scene. Let's go to the next step. I will add both the dim and the raster conversion. Okay, so I will go to catalog to bring in my digital elevation model. But firstly, I will first of all activate my table of content by going to window and activate my table of content. Okay, so I will go to catalog to bring in my digital elevation model and the raster. Okay, you can see our raster in 3D, our dim, sorry, in 3D format. So I will also bring in my raster. So I'm trying to locate the folder that I save the raster. Okay, after doing that, I will right click on my digital elevation model and go to properties. Then I will go to base height. Then I will click on float on costume surface. Okay, this is how it will appear. I will also go to my raster. Then I will go to symbology. My raster and go to property, then go to symbology to change my flood level to be that of water, the color. Okay, after that I will open Arc Scene property and calculate from extent. So I will open Arc Scene and go to properties. Okay, I will come over here and click on calculate from extent. You can see the vertical exaggeration. Okay, after doing that, I will come over here to change the color. Okay, the next step is for me to go to animation and click on animation manager. I will go to animation and scroll down to animation manager and open animation manager. Okay, keyframe type, I will select layer. After doing that, I will come over to create. I will click on create and this window will pop up. Source object, I will select my flood level. Then I will click on new. Keyframe name, so I will make it to be, I will create the keyframe to be 16 so that I can input my translation Z value. So I will right click on create. Okay, you can create this keyframe to the number of your choice. So after doing that, I will come over here. My base height in my digital elevation model is 37, so I will start with 37. okay, 3740. I will carefully input my number, input the number, and choose my interval correctly. Okay, 60, 70. Okay, I will carefully choose my interval correctly. Okay, please, if you are watching this video up to this very point, do well to hit on the subscribe button, share the video to others so that they can also benefit from it, just as you are doing right now. Okay, so I will stop at 200. After doing that, I will close this page. Okay, then I will come down to animation. I will click on animation and go to options. The duration, the play duration, you can make any choice of your own. So I want to make it to be in 15 seconds. Then my play mode, play once forward, you can select it. Okay, so you can see how flood penetrate this environment. Okay, you can see how flood penetrate the environment. So this is how to do your flood risk simulation using ArcGIS. Okay, you can see how flood penetrate the environment. You can use loop forward and reverse. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the video. See you again in my next tutorial. Thank you.